We are now in 2020, calculating our absorption income statement. Now you're probably looking at this and saying, hey, how come units produced didn't change in 2020? We had all these shutdowns, nobody could come to work. And the answer is, I need you to suspend your disbelief because it made sense for us to keep all of the periods the same. So while this may not be realistic, it is what we're doing. All right. So in 2020, we sold, or sales went up, actually. Maybe we were selling toilet paper or masks or something. And our units sold was 115,000. So we're going to calculate our sales by multiplying the number of units sold, 115,000, times our price or sales price per unit, which is $50. Got that right up here. So that's 5,750,000. Our direct materials is going to be the number of units we sold times $3 a unit, gives us a total of 345,000. Direct labor is the 115,000 units we sold times $10 a unit, or 1,150,000. And our variable overhead is the number of units we sold in 2020, 115,000 times $5 a unit, or $575,000. Our fixed overhead, the number of units we sold, 115,000 times our fixed overhead cost per unit, which is $8, which is a reminder, we got that by taking our total fixed overhead and divided it by the number of units produced. But when we put it down here in our income statement, we do the number of units sold, we get 920,000. We do that because the income statement is all about what we sold, right? Doesn't care what we left behind on the balance sheet. The income statement is very egocentric, and it really doesn't care about all those other statements at all. All right, so we're going to add these up. Our direct materials, direct labor, variable overhead, and fixed overhead, and we get a cost of goods sold of $2,990,000. We subtract that from our sales of $5,750,000. We are going to get a gross profit of $2,760,000. Then we are going to subtract our S&A variable, which is the number of units we sold, 115,000 times $2 a unit for 230,000. And we're also going to subtract our fixed selling and administrative. This could be anything from our CEO, maybe to our accountants. It could be sales salaries. It could be anything. Okay, so when we take our gross profit of $2,760,000, we subtract our variable S&A of $230,000, and we subtract our fixed S&A of $300,000. We get a net income of $2,230,000. Cool? All right. Well, I think we're ready to move on to do the variable income statements. I will see you there.